All right, welcome back everybody to the seventh theorem of the circle theorems. What is the seventh theorem saying? It says that opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. When you say supplementary, it means that they add up to 180 degrees. By the way, what is a cyclic quadrilateral? Let's consider this one to explain. So when we say a cyclic quadrilateral, first of all, it means that it is a four-sided polygon which is inscribed in a circle. So when we look at this shape right here, this is a four-sided polygon and it is inscribed in the circle. When we say it is inscribed in the circle, it means that the vertices are touching the circumference of the circle. So as you can see, this vertex is touching the circumference, this is touching, and then this is touching. And this is a typical example of a cyclic quadrilateral. And what the theorem is saying is that when we add the two opposite angles that we have in this polygon inside the circle, they are supplementary, which means they add up to what? 180 degrees. So in this situation, if we add and its opposite angle, which is C over here, we should get 180 degrees. In the same way, if we add B and D, B plus D, we are getting the same 180 degrees. So first of all, note that the sum of the two opposite interior angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary, or let me say is supplementary, meaning they add up to 180 degrees. All right, so this and this add up to 180 degrees, and then this and this also add up to 180 degrees. As simple as that, just as I have written over here. All right, so this is basically what the seventh theorem is saying. We are to determine the values of A and D. So when we look at what we have right here, it means that A plus 70 degrees should give us 180 degrees. Why? Because the two angles are opposite to each other in this cyclic quadrilateral. So in this situation, we subtract 70 from both sides of the equal sign so that this and this will go. We have A equal to 180 minus 70 is giving us 110 degrees. As simple as that. Of course, this shape is not drawn to scale, all right? So let's understand it that way. Then over here, the sum of these two opposite angles are also supplementary. So D plus the 60 degrees over here should give us 180 degrees. Why? Because they are opposite to each other in this cyclic quadrilateral. So of course we subtract 60 from both sides of the equal sign. This and this will go. We have D equal to 180 minus 60 degrees. We are getting 120 degrees. All right. Yeah. So basically, that is it. And let me say this before we go. At the end of the day, when we sum all of them up, we should get 360 degrees. All right. So this is it. And in the next video, we want to solve somehow challenging problem to understand this theorem a lot. So see you again on the next one. Thanks for watching.